is your dream to find the perfect design for your living space? Watch this video to find out.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Hit the like button if you like the video so far.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's
Do you want to design your space like a pro? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and... perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Check out designercheatsheet.com for useful tips and free stuff.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.